Good evening, Kirk Crowley here. I just want to talk to you a little bit about social image redirect. You may be familiar with my other image redirect programs, FB Image Redirect, which was a desktop application, and then there was WP Image Redirect, which was a WordPress plugin. Well, we have another new one, and this is Social Image Redirect, and this is a web-based application. And I'll just go ahead and show it to you. It's very, very simple. Once you log in, you're going to come see a screen like this for the image redirect. And it's going to have a progress bar letting you know exactly what you're doing. If you see the question mark, you click on those. Those are tool tips that'll let you know what this is for, since this is for the title of the redirect. This is telling you where the title will be located on the social engine. In this case, it's talking about Facebook, but that would be the title for Twitter or the title for Google Plus or Pinterest. So we have the title here, so we're just going to go ahead and click Next. And you can see our progress bar. We're moving right along. And this is just a description. And once again, we click on the tooltip. And this talks about where the description of the information actually goes. I'm going to click Next. And now it's asking for an image for us to use. So we're going to go ahead and choose a file. And I'm just going to choose these three penguin guys right here and choose next. The best image size says right here, 1200 by 627. That would be for your best results. Choose that. Okay, click next. Takes just a minute for it to upload. And now it's going to ask what URL are we going to redirect to once someone clicks on the image on the social networks. So in this one, please include the http:// which I have here. So I'm going to go ahead and click next. And now it's asking for my Twitter site ID. Twitter site IDs are an actual ID if you have like a website that has its own Twitter account. You could have your Twitter account and then your site can have a Twitter account. If your site doesn't have one, just go ahead and put your Twitter ID there. And then once again, it's asking for your individual Twitter ID. So go ahead and click next. And then this is the domain name that you've probably submitted as a summary card for Twitter for you, so you can actually post the images on Twitter. That's what that would be for. So I'm going to go ahead and click next. And then this is for your Facebook targeting ID, which we actually have a tooltip here. It tells you exactly how to get there in Facebook ads. You go to the audiences, then you select or create an audience. And then on the far right-hand side, you're going to see where it says Pixel ID. That is your FB retargeting ID. And that goes right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and click Finish. And then it comes up to this area here. We can either download the package, which would be a zip file, and then you can create a folder on your web server and upload it to that server and extract it. Or we can go ahead and FTP that information directly from the web application. That way it's still going to your server. It's not promoting mine. It's promoting your server. And you type in the host information, username and password, and then click upload. And then we do create a very, very unique number right after it says public HTML. Most websites, when you're FTPing public HTML, you have to declare that because that's your root area of your web server. And then we have a very unique, which is based upon 4-digit year, 2-digit month, 2-digit day, and then 4 numbers that are random. So we have that there. So it is a very random number there, very unique number. So if you don't change that, you could change it to whatever you want to here, just as long as it is unique and you have the trailing slash at the end. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and do my host and upload that information. I'm going to obfuscate it so you don't see it. So hold on just one moment. And now I'm going to upload. And 3 files were successfully uploaded. So what I'm going to do is now, I'm going to pause this just for a second. Okay, and I pulled up developers.facebook.com/tools/debug. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you that I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And we're going to scroll down. And this is what it's going to look like if it's posted inside of Facebook. And I can go ahead and do that as well. I'm just going to copy that link right there. I'm going to scroll back up to the top, and I'm going to go into Facebook, into my profile, and paste right there. And you can see that information right there. So once I go ahead and click post, underneath mine, there it is, and you should have that image. If I click on that image, it should take me back to tooeasy2.com, which it did. So the image redirect does work really well with Facebook. I'm going to go ahead and try it real quick with Twitter. I'm going to go ahead and click now, and I'm just going to refresh the page because sometimes their cards take a few moments. There it is. So it has all the information. There's my Twitter ID and the site ID, and you can view on the web here, or you can click on the image and it will take you once again right to where I want it to go. And we're going to come over to Google Plus real quick. And I'm going to share a link, put that in there, and boom, comes up as well. I'm going to go ahead and click on share. There it is. Going to click on the image. Once again, it's going to go right to where I want it to go. So the social image redirect does work. It works great. The price is really low. It is a web-based application. It is a full developer rights included. You can use this for your customers. You can use it for yourself. Full rights to it. One-time, lifetime access, all yours. So Social Image Redirect, the web application, web edition. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.